How to use same WhatsApp account in two phones without WhatsApp web. First thing first, on your secondary phone, if you have WhatsApp installed, then you have to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp application. Then on your primary phone, you just have to open WhatsApp and make sure to sign in on your WhatsApp account. Then you have to tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and from this drop down menu box select settings. Once you get access to the settings page at the top, underneath the settings you can see your username. Simply next to it you can see the QR code. Tap on it and then here is the QR code. So on your secondary phone you just have to open WhatsApp and then you have to tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select this link devices option from this drop down menu box, and then you can tap on this link a device option. Then after that you need to unlock to link a device by scanning your fingerprint. So you can also link with phone number instead, or you can tap on OK button. Then with the help of this scanner you can easily scan the QR code of your primary device and easily link or use same WhatsApp account into phone without WhatsApp web. You can note that you can use the same WhatsApp account in four phones also currently or in this updated version of WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more videos.